Hi. So the other day I had an issue. I don't know what I'm going to say. I rehearse this in my head 100 times and then you go to do it and you're like, hi. So the other day I had an issue. I didn't know how to do something in OBS. OBS, no. Fuck, Premiere. Hi. So the other... Why did I not? So What? You ever have like a question you need answered, but there's no one like directly next to you to ask, but then you don't know how to correctly like type it without just talking? And I guess you could FaceTime it. I mean, yeah, that would work. I should have just done that, but anyway. So the other day I was working in Premiere and I had a question on color grading because I have never color graded until like literally a couple days ago. And first I Snapchatted my question to my friend. I made the Snapchat video and it was horrible. It was distorted. It was choppy. I just didn't like it. It cut off 10 seconds. Stupid. Like, really, Snapchat, you can't like upgrade your fucking feature? If my video is longer than 10 seconds, it won't like cut in between. Like, you will allow me to send something in 10 seconds, but there's that little cut and you notice the distortion. Why? Like, if it's longer than 10 seconds, just let the whole video play through like a normal video. If it's not at 10 seconds, it's not that hard. So then I was like, okay, how can I send exactly like a clear picture of what I'm doing? And then I was like, wait, OBS. So I recorded with OBS and then I sent the recorded OBS to my friend through Snapchat. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use OBS to record your desktop and then send it to your friend through Snapchat or a text message or whatever from your phone. This will also work if you want to upload whatever's on your desktop, a video that you made in Adobe or on YouTube, a specific video on YouTube. You could just screen record with your phone. Whatever. If you want to upload something specific on your desktop, like something you've been working on, directly to like your Facebook, Instagram, whatever story. Yeah. Let's do it. Open up OBS, obviously. Make sure you're capturing whatever sources you need. In this case, I'm just grabbing my left screen. Make sure your audio's synced correctly with your mic. Can you hear yourself talking? Is the bar moving up? Yes. Click start recording. Mine says stop recording because, well, I'm already recording. I'm going to just move this to the right screen. Here I have Premiere open. Now you're recording this screen and you can ask whatever questions you have. In my case, I had questions about the shadows. When I move the slider up and down, the entire thing moves, and I was confused as to which part I'm specifically supposed to look at, and then I realized it's easier just to look at the image itself. Wow, that's actually pretty good. I actually like that better than what I had, but I already submitted it. Shit. Whatever. Go back over to OBS, click stop record. I clicked stop and started another recording. Go to file, show recordings. This is the first recording. Let's open up whatever email client you want to use. In my case, it's Gmail. I have no internet. So yeah, COMCAST. They're a great company. Really, right now you want to go out. I did not plan this. What the hell? I think I paid my bill. Oh yeah, Slopville, I'm back. But no internet. Wow. You can't make this up.
A few moments later.
Well, that was fun. When did they add Google Workspace? That's annoying. Click compose. Send it to whatever you want to send it to. Wow, spelled my name wrong. Nothing. Get your image. Video. Let it upload.
Tomorrow.
Click send. Look at that. Open the email on your phone. Click the video file. Click save video. Open your photos. There should be. you can now use that video file as an Instagram, Facebook, or Snapchat story, or text it to someone. It's that easy. How the fuck do I do this?